Voting is now open for the Student Life Enhancement Fund. There's $100,000 available to fund new ideas to improve the McMaster student experience. You can go online now to enhance.mcmaster.ca to vote on the ideas that you want to see funded. Let's take a look at this year's ideas. Upgrading club space. Revamping 1280 to better suit student needs. Enclosing the MUSC third floor patio. More active study spaces in libraries. More SAD lights for study desks. More study pods in libraries. An umbrella renting system. More outdoor study space. A better McMaster sign. Improvements to the Lot M shuttle bus. Those are all of this year's top ideas. You can go online right now until February 13th to enhance.mcmaster.ca to vote on what you think the $100,000 should be used for.